What's going on, guys? I'm gonna make a video today to let you guys know. I've done buttoned up a whole bunch of little stuff on this thing. Found out the other day on listening to it, it had a misfire. I couldn't figure out exactly what it was at first. I compression tested, compression was good. New plugs, wires in it. Whole time the injector had like a mud diver's nest in it, but it runs a lot better now. I got the alternator on it, wired up so that it's charging the battery now. Radiator's in. I got a rigged up radiator hose here because I ain't have money to go get a Silverado hose for right this second, but it looks a hell of a lot better, and actually sounds a lot better too. But go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds now. I'm actually debating on whether or not I have all the interior for this car. It was all nice interior, nice blue cutlass interior. I'm debating on whether or not to put it back in there. You guys comment and let me know what you think. I'm not 100% sure yet. Fuel pump got prime. Yeah, this thing sounds way better than it did. Can't leave it running long because I haven't wired up the fan yet. Definitely sounds way healthier. This is one of the simplest things that I've ever done, honestly. I thought that it was going to be a hard swap, and really it's extremely simple. You got your main power to your fuse box. Pink wire, I think it was like A9 or something. You wire it to your switch key on power. This is extra wires that I kept for other purposes. But switch key on power, constant power to your fuse box. And I kept the gray wire for my fuel pump. That way when I cut the key on, fuel pump primes. And disable the Vats and the stock ECU, and it's extremely simple, guys. Thank you guys for watching these videos. I like the support, it's pretty cool. But I still got a lot to do to this car. Show you all the good side, but this is actually the bad side here. My uncle had wrecked it, and I did a bunch of body work to this thing, trying to, I mean, for not being a body guy, I don't look too bad. But I got all the trim and stuff for it, all new trim for it. I just gotta do it. I still gotta finish painting this fender. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe.